Hey friends, I had breakfast. I woke up at 9 to, oh not 9, 8, now it's 9. Yeah, so my throat is kind of sore. I get like cold, I was swimming in the pools. Also the AC is very strong. I don't have any electricity. It's like all gone and the water is gone, so yeah. Today is July 31st. My last day here. I'm kind of excited, kind of not. It's a cool place to stay, but I think a week maybe is too long. 4 days is perfect. Yeah, going to get my caffeine. Gonna go to get my milk tea. So see you later. Came here to Vang Vieng gym. Looks quite empty. Yeah, completely empty. Hey man. Hey. It's not bad. Like one session, like 30,000. Like €1.50. Super cheap. Impulse. Yeah, these are good trainers, like good equipment. Awesome. They even have whey gold. How much is protein shake, man? Like, do you do protein shake? Man, this freaking gym is awesome, like so lit. And all of the equipment is impulse, very good. Like I showed you before, it's very good quality, not like Chinese, like cheap stuff, It's very good. Also, they have a second floor, it's even better. I'll show you. And they have a big ass JBL speaker. Yeah, you can put some music on. Yeah, man. Very nice gym. I wish I came here sooner. Yeah, definitely go. Like 30,000 kip, that's nothing. Like €1.50. Yeah, I'll show you guys the second floor of this awesome gym. Okay, I'll just put this. Yeah, well, actually, the Sterling is Chinese. Yeah, it's like a Chinese brand. We have like BS Fitness in Lithuania, so they use these kind of equipment. It's very cheap. Not very bad. It's the budget. See how many stuff they have here. I was amazed. The speaker is the coolest part. Also view, look at that. Yeah, now just get a protein shake. That's so cool, man. They have some very nice hotels here in Laos. Yeah, I just was on a Tinder date with this girl. It was quite cool. They're kind of like, she reminded me of this Philippines girl, her manners, like the smiling, she smiled so much. I don't know, you see the similarities. They look like more Philippines than Thai. Yeah. Yeah, cool place. I want to take out some money, but the power is gone, so the ATMs don't work. And I like have 15,000 kip, and that kind of sucks. Yeah, it's raining today like hell. The electricity is going on and off, but for now it's okay. Yeah, today was a good day. I had a massage for $6, like full body. That was cool. Yeah, the gym part was awesome also. Yeah, I kept the scooter. Oh shit, what the fuck? Look at that. That's so huge. I don't know if you see it so dark, but it's so huge. Damn. Look at that lizard. Like, I've never seen in natural habitat like this big. Huge, man. Like, wow. And just don't jump on me. I think he sees the red light, so like moved a little bit. See how big he is? He's like, I don't know, like very big, like 45, 50 centimeters. That's huge. Could be even 60. No, maybe not 60, but yeah, 40 to 50.